The difference between display ad and search ad. Display advertising is a form of advertising that conveys a commercial message visually. Using texts, logos, animations, videos, photographs, or other graphics. Display ad can be in beautiful visual with clear messages. In usual, they have lower CPC with higher impressions. Therefore, it is suitable for building brand image. Also, with different targeting methods, the display ad can be more on target, such as to shows the banner to the audience who search specific keywords before. Besides, remarketing function is the most important feature for display ad. It can show the banner to the audience who visited the website before to reduce abandon rate. The disadvantage for display ad is that the audience is not expected to see the ad before. It is a more passive form of advertising. Also, because of banner blindness problem, display ad CTR is relatively lower compared with search ad. However, as mentioned, it is very useful for brand building as the audience will be more familiar with your brand after seeing the display ad for several times. Search advertising is a method of placing online advertisements on web pages that show results from search engine queries. Search represents a demand from the audience as they proactively search for something. Function of search ad is to embrace those search queries. Therefore, search ad has higher CTR in average compared with display ad. Disadvantage of search ad is that the CPC is higher, and therefore fewer clicks can be generated. Also, it is a boring format which has text only, so relative harder to create brand identity.